My name is Manujay Karya Peruma. Now I am going to show you the second part of the pipe welding with TIG. Second lesson is going to be 2G position on pipe. Right now I am going to show you how to prepare for that. Alright, right here I got two pieces of schedule 45-inch. Both sides are clean very good. Also you have to clean at least 1 inch inside the pipe. Okay, right now I'm going to show you how to tack the two piece. Okay, right now I got my test piece ready right here. I got 4 root tack. Right now I'm going to clean the tack little bit. Okay, right now I'm clean all the tacks right here. All the 4 tack have to be grind like this before you put the root. Okay, right now I'm going to put the root. I'm using freehand technique for the root. Let's see how it goes. This is what you have to do when you're doing freehand. Rest your bottom 3 fingers on the pipe and move your hand forward. You should keep your welding rod top of the bevel all the time. Move the TIG rig up and down, go forward slowly. That's what called freehand. Now I start put the root pass. I am running at 90 amp. Also I am using ER70s2 18 for the root. Keep your welding rod top of the bevel all the time. When you pull off, do not pull off in the root. When you're ready to pull off, come down to the base metal and pull it off. Okay, right now I got my root pass here. Now I'm going to clean it little bit before put the hot pass. Okay, right now I clean the root pass all the way around. Before put the hot pass, you have to clean your root same like this. Don't grind too much, just touch your grind a little bit. Now I'm doing hot pass. I'm using ER70s2 332 welding rod. My machine set up for 120 amp for the hot pass. Still I'm doing freehand technique. Okay, right now I got my hot pass. Now I'm going to fill this one with the 1/8 rod. Okay, now I got the flash and I'm going to do capping right now. Okay, right now I got done my first bead. I have to do another one right here. You can see the undercut all the way around here. Now I'm going to throw another bead. Alright guys, I got done the second part of the pipe welding with TIG. Before finish the lesson, I forgot to show you the root pass inside the pipe. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut the pipe and show you inside the pipe. Okay, let's do it. Okay, now you can see how is the root pass looks. If you think this video is helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to see more video like this. Thank you for watching.